try that again. Oak Life, how's everybody doing? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, for a Sunday morning, that was impressive. All right, amen to that.
It is a Sunday.
So, welcome to Oak Life. There's going to be some newness. We're stepping into a new sermon series, a beautiful mess. We kind of left the missing adventures of missing the point. Now we're transitioning to a new topic.
Yes.
With that newness, as always, and again, broken record status, here it comes. But there's a lot of new faces in the crowd today to Oak Life, so make some noise for the new sprouts of Oak Life. Yes. I won't point you out because it's so embarrassing. You're going to see some new faces up here as well. It's the Lyrical Opposition Takeover. But we'll get into that in a little bit. Just note, as you come in, make sure to spread yourselves out, because sometimes we have people coming in a little later. We want to be, hospitable at places. I see a couple of free seats, so we're good today. Let's just make sure we keep that in mind going forward, all right? So I'm going to press in, and we're going to get this party started.